Madam, and action film.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been 3 months since I last posted a video for you guys and I am so happy to be back. And I want to thank you all so much for the love lately. I got back and realized that I have over 20k views on my last video and I have over 1k extra subscribers. I am super excited and grateful. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you do not miss out on any of my videos. Moving forward guys, I'll be showing you how I achieved this glowy look.
Madam, you need recharge card.
What? John, I am doing a makeup tutorial. Please, John, please.
Oh, sorry, ma.
Thank you. Please just go.
You sure?
This is introducing you to John. I got a new help. His name is John. John is a clown. You would have to bear with me because in subsequent videos, you'll be seeing plenty of Johns.
Yeah, you say what, ma?
John, I didn't know you are still here.
Okay, sorry.
Please just go. Please, I won't be needing you. Don't bother coming back.
Okay, I should call my brother.
What? Guys, brother is too much. So he might be fun for us. Do not get tired of John too quickly. He can be annoying and sweet at the same time.
Yes, man. Now this sweet be this.
Jesus! Not sweet. Oh my god. Well, thanks anyways. Please just go. Thank you. So guys, please stay tuned and enjoy this tutorial. I hope that this video will be helpful to you. Please share this video. Tell your friends to come and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the main tutorial. Okay, so I do not have so much makeup products where I am right now, but I just decided that I was going to do a video no matter what. So if you've been following me from the beginning, you would already know that I do not like applying too much products as base on my face. I'll be using just this NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator. So I'm just going to apply this. I like how it feels on my skin, dry like a mattifier. It helps me get that glow before my foundation. I'll be using the LA Girl orange corrector to correct my face. I'm going to apply this under my eyes and I'm also going to apply it on some black spots because I don't want any blemishes after I'm done with my makeup. I don't really have dark spots on my face, but there are some areas that I really like applying this corrector just so that it can blend in with my skin and with my foundation. And it's also very good applying it around your lip area. It defines your lip color when you do your lipstick. You know, that one tone color or shade instead of having different colors. That's why it's called a corrector. Okay, so I'm using Milani's 2-in-1 foundation and Mary Kay foundation. I'll be using the both of them together. I was using just this Milani foundation in the shade 10 Golden Tan, but I noticed that I became too dark for it. So I got Mary Kay's foundation in the shade 507 so I could blend them together without using Milani foundation. So I'm using these two. Okay, so I'm using this brush by Real Technique. It helps me blend in my foundation very properly and I really like how it feels on my skin. So I'm just going to apply the foundation all over my face and gently patting it into my face because I want it to be properly blended. The Milani foundation and the Mary Kay foundation is actually full coverage, so putting them together, you're definitely going to have your whole face fully covered. So I'm done applying my foundation and you can already see that I have my entire face fully covered and there's no difference between my body shade and my face shade. So I guess that's perfect. LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade. I'm basically just defining underneath my eyebrows, and I'm really...
Madam, by defining, you know definition anything now?
John! I'm recording the tutorial.
Sorry, madam.
So I'm basically just blending in this concealer underneath my eyes and all over my iris, because I also want it to be like a pre-base for my eyeshadow. Blend this in, and I'm going to do the same thing for this other side of my eye. Gosh. Are you normal? I don't know what is this one. There's something.
Sorry, madam.
Don't come.
You know, say I dey use iPhone too, so I dey sabi operate eye well.
Jesus is Lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Gosh, John, please. I asked you to go away. Please just go away. Okay, it's out. I'm fine. Oops. My hand, guys. So I was making rice the other day. I was parboiling rice, and the heat from the pot, or it's healing because it's peeling off, and I'm getting new skin.
Don't angry me.
You just have to be careful, because after you do your brows, you do not want to ruin it when you're trying to blend your concealer. This is perfect. I think my concealer is properly blended into my foundation, because the idea is to actually marry my concealer to my foundation.
Madam, you want to do marriage?
John, are you kidding me right now?
No, I'm whiskeying you, ma.
John, please, can you just go out? Like, just go out of the house. Ah, God. Please, you guys should just pray for the kind of John that I have. This one will just kill you. Okay, yes. I got this Zikel face kit powder palette. It's actually matte full coverage. So to set my highlights, I'll be using this shade Warm Honey. So I'm just applying that shade of the Zikel powder palette. I'm being careful because I do not want to ruin my brows. So to contour my face, I'll be using dark cocoa shade. For the other part of my face, I'll be using the shade Toffee and Nutmeg. Literally just blending everything together. You have to carefully outline your nose contour, because you do not want your nose looking crooked. So I'm carefully getting the perfect line from this side, and I'll do the same for the other side. So I'm using the powder in the shade Warm Honey to define my contour. I'm already beginning to feel like Kim K.
What?
And I'm going to use this e.l.f.
Auntie, the makeup fine, oh. But auntie, why you know use small perfume so that makeup go smell well?
John!
Sorry, auntie, I just said the
John,
perfume.
oh my God, John!
Auntie, now today perfume, oh.
Really, nigga?
Auntie, where did I bring you from?
I just spray and then.
Moving forward, Jerry, I'm using e.l.f. gel eyeliner. Just at the beginning, starting from my tear duct. Promise. Avon's Smooth Mineral to further highlight my face. So you can already see that the middle area of my face is already glowing. From this palette has like 2 blushes and 1 bronzer down here. I'll be doing my highlights with the Prestige Cosmetic highlighter. I'm just going to wet my brush. If you want to highlight really popping, dip your brush in water. And you can see that I'm already popping. Highlight is popping. I'm going to use this brush to blend